Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace side mirror on Kia Soul, only way. Start by folding the mirror, removing the interior trim panel, and disconnecting the electrical harness. Use a 10mm socket to remove mounting bolts while holding the mirror steady. Swap the old mirror for the new assembly, reconnect wiring, and test power and heat functions. Reinstall trim, snug bolts to spec, and adjust mirror for clear, safe visibility. Preparation makes this replacement faster and safer, so lay out your tools and wear eye protection. Start by disconnecting the battery for models where electrical safety matters, then fold the mirror and remove interior trim with a trim tool. Keep bolts and clips in a small tray and support the mirror with one hand as you remove mounting hardware. Reinstall carefully, test electrical features, and verify mirror alignment before driving away. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car DIYs. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes post-repair cleanup a breeze. It's a fun way to keep your garage tidy after a project, and it saves time so you can focus on repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. After positioning the new mirror, hand start the mounting bolts to ensure correct alignment and prevent cross-threading. Reconnect the electrical harness, then temporarily reconnect the battery to test power windows, heat, and folding features. If everything works, torque bolts to snug specifications, reattach interior trim, and fully test mirror adjustment. Take a short drive to confirm visibility and stability, and make any final tweaks for comfortable, safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.